Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ski jackets that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're hitting the slopes, trekking through snowy trails, or just braving the winter chill, these jackets offer a range of features to suit your needs. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Snowboarding women's waterproof ski jacket. This is a great budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on functionality. Designed with a waterproof and windproof outer shell, it's perfect for light to moderate snow days. The adjustable hood and cuffs help keep the cold out, and the fleece lining ensures you stay warm and cozy during your outdoor adventures. It's surprisingly lightweight, making it great for layering without feeling bulky. In terms of design, this jacket offers a clean, sporty aesthetic. It's available in a variety of color options, so you can find one that matches your style. While it may not have the premium features of higher-end models, like advanced insulation or reinforced zippers, it performs admirably for its price point. This jacket is ideal for casual skiers, hikers, or anyone who needs reliable winter wear without breaking the bank. However, it's worth noting that the waterproofing may not hold up in heavy, prolonged downpours. Overall, it's a solid entry-level jacket for winter activities. Coming in at number 4 is the Mag Compson men's winter coat, a functional and versatile option for men. This jacket boasts a water-resistant outer shell and a warm fleece lining, making it suitable for cold weather outdoor activities. One of its standout features is the multi-pocket design, which is great for carrying essentials like your phone, wallet, or gloves. The adjustable cuffs and hem allow for a personalized fit, helping to lock in warmth. The design leans towards practicality, with a rugged, utilitarian look that's perfect for those who value function over fashion. While the water resistance is adequate for light snow or drizzle, it may not be enough for more extreme, wet conditions. Its biggest strength lies in its affordability and versatility. This is a great choice for anyone who needs a durable winter jacket for moderate use, whether you're skiing, hiking, or just commuting through the cold. However, the lack of advanced insulation means it might not be the best choice for those heading into sub-zero temperatures for extended periods. At number 3, we have the Snowboarding women's waterproof snow ski jacket, the most budget-friendly option on this list. Despite its affordable price, this jacket doesn't compromise on key features. It offers a waterproof and windproof design, complete with a soft fleece lining for added warmth. The adjustable hood and elastic cuffs help keep the elements out, making it a great choice for casual winter wear or light snow sports. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to move around in, and it's available in a range of vibrant colors. However, this affordability does come with some trade-offs. The materials, while functional, don't feel as durable as those in higher-end options, and the waterproofing may struggle in heavy rain or wet snow. Still, for under $32, this jacket delivers excellent value and is perfect for someone new to skiing or looking for an inexpensive option for occasional use. Taking the runner-up spot is the Helly Hansen Men's Crew Hooded Jacket 2.0. Helly Hansen is a brand synonymous with quality, and this jacket lives up to the reputation. Featuring the brand's signature Helly-Tech protection technology, it's fully waterproof, windproof, and breathable. The fleece lining provides excellent warmth, while the adjustable hood and cuffs ensure a snug fit to keep out the elements. What sets this jacket apart is its premium build quality. Everything from the zippers to the seams feels solid and built to last. It's designed with an understated, versatile style that works well for both outdoor activities and casual wear. While it's on the pricier side, the performance and durability make it a worthwhile investment for serious skiers or outdoor enthusiasts. The only drawback is that it's not heavily insulated, so you may need to layer up in extremely cold conditions. Overall, it's a high-quality jacket for those who demand performance and reliability. Taking the top spot is the Helly Hansen Women's Crew Hooded Mid-Layer Jacket 2.0, a premium option that combines style, performance, and durability. This jacket features Helly Hansen's Helly-Tech protection technology, making it waterproof, windproof, and breathable. It's insulated with Primaloft at the shoulders for extra warmth, and the fleece-lined interior provides exceptional comfort. With sealed seams, adjustable cuffs, and a high fleece-lined collar, This jacket is built to withstand harsh winter conditions. The design is sleek and modern, with subtle branding that adds a touch of sophistication. It's not just a ski jacket, it's a versatile piece that works just as well for sailing, hiking, or even everyday winter wear. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the attention to detail and superior construction justify the price. The only potential downside is the fit, as it's tailored more for a slim silhouette, which may not work for everyone. Overall, this is the best choice for those who want top-notch performance and are willing to pay for it.